Alright guys, welcome to another video with Ultimate Learning, and today we're going to be making a liquid nitrogen cloud. I can't wait for this one. But to understand what's going to be happening today, take a look at this water. I've just heated up about 400 milliliters of water, close to its boiling point. And as you can see, some people may think that this is steam coming off the water. Well, this isn't actually steam. What this is, these are the hot or the fast moving water molecules that are leaving the liquid, and as they reach the cold air, they're starting to condense and form this fog. Now only a few of these water molecules are condensing and turn into this fog, and that's why the fog isn't too thick. But what if I could add something that could speed up the condensation of those water molecules? What if I was to add some liquid nitrogen? So all that's happening here is that the water molecules in the air, they're condensing and it's forming this fog. This is technically what a cloud is. And what we're going to do today, we are going to make a giant liquid nitrogen cloud. So on a small scale, we're going to make our liquid nitrogen cloud. We've got our liquid nitrogen here just bubbling away, boiling in fact. Now when we add the hot water to this liquid nitrogen, it's going to boil faster, it's going to evaporate, and it's going to condense the air, some of the water in the air around it, and make our fog. Now we're going to do that on a big scale. Alright guys, so you've not heard from Ultimate Learning for a while, but that's because we've been working on a product just for you. I wanted to be the first to introduce you to BoxLab. BoxLab is the newest science kit that you can order and do some of the fun science experiments at home. It's safe enough to carry out with your children, just to get them engaged and get them prepared for the world of science. Every month we send out 3 experiments, or you can buy individual experiments to suit you. But let's have a look at what you actually get with your equipment box. Kind of looks like me, Mr. BoxLab. So, take off our sleeve, and inside we've got a nice tray to do all of your experiments on, just so you don't get your kitchen dirty. And you get some safety specs. Safety first. We've got some wires. We've got some bungs. Conical flask. Everyone loves a conical flask. We've got a beaker. Some cups. A syringe for syringing things. We have a white tile for you to do your mixing. We've got a stand. And a battery pack. So every month, BoxLab will send you up to 3 experiments to enjoy at home. It's a good way to spend some time with your kids and engage them in science. Helps with GCSEs, and it also matches up with the national curriculum. Peace. Alright guys, so you know at Ultimate Learning we always like to 10x our experiments. So imagine our liquid nitrogen cloud when we've got 25 litres of liquid nitrogen. What I'm going to do is put 12.5 litres in this bin, 12.5 litres in this bin. We're going to dunk some water in, we're going to see what's going to happen. Yo guys, some of that liquid nitrogen has splashed out and it's frozen my glove.